Hello, this is Jerome coming to you from Nexus Property Management out of the Worcester office. You are joining us at 3 Esther Street in Worcester, Mass. And we're going to be doing a leasing video on this 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit. Very beautifully done. We're going to be starting with the living area. It's a pretty good size, potentially fit a TV, a couch over there, or potentially even just put the TV on this section. It has 2 beautiful windows, just allowing for natural lighting. Has a fan for additional cooling, but it is pretty well lit. The walls are freshly painted. The floors look amazing. They have that gray vinyl plank, modern style flooring, so which is pretty good. We have baseboard heating and electric baseboard heating throughout the unit. Here we have some closet space. It's pretty deep. You could use this as closet space or as storage, just adding some shelving. Once again, it's a pretty good size for storage for this unit, so that's pretty good. This is the living room, and like I said, it's a pretty good size living room. So we're gonna walk into the first bedroom. So this bedroom has 2 doors, so you could use either or. So going through the first door, just showing you the bedroom. This is a good size bedroom, potentially fit a full size bed, maybe even a twin size, definitely a twin size bed. It's freshly painted. The wall looks really good. It has a rough edge to it, just giving it a little bit more character. We have these 2 big windows, which allow for a lot of natural lighting. As you can see, the room is pretty well lit. It's a good size room. Potentially even add a television or a bureau in that wall. But you do have the closet space right here. Good size closet space, top to bottom, allowing for some good hanging space and also potentially a shoe rack at the bottom. So that is the first bedroom, and it also has a ceiling fan for extra cooling. So going out into out of the second door, you're gonna walk into the kitchen area. Beautifully well done. Once again, this also has that oak style hardwood floors just across the whole kitchen, and it has that 2-tone of the gray and white, just adding a little bit more character to this kitchen. Beautiful windows allowing for natural lighting. We have a built-in shelf on this corner, more of the antique style, but pretty good for storage. So some storage on the bottom as well as the top to be utilized. We have a range here, black stainless steel, very nice, well maintained. Refrigerator on this corner, and then we do have the washer on this corner of the kitchen as well. So going into the extension of the kitchen / pantry area, where you do have more storage space on the bottom as well as on the top. So some good counter space as well. And that is the extension of the kitchen. Once again, that is a kitchen unit, pretty good space, even to add a little island on this corner if need be. So we're gonna walk through the kitchen and go into the bathroom. Very nice bathroom, nice and spacious. We have the vanity, nicely done with a black accent. We have a medicine cabinet for some extra storage. We have shelving for decor and extra storage as well. And we also have a rack over here just for possibly towels or just any toiletries you might want to hang. It is a good size bathroom, as I mentioned, nice and clean, very well maintained. So we are heading out of the bathroom back into the kitchen, which leads into the 3rd bedroom. So once again, the floors extend all the way in here with that gray vinyl plank style. The bedroom is freshly painted, nice and white, good size, good natural lighting. You could potentially fit a queen size bed in here, definitely a full twin size bed. If you go with the smaller beds, you have space for a futon or even a wardrobe, TV on that wall if need be, or maybe just even have those items in this corner, but definitely a good space. So straight ahead is the closet space. It is also a good sized closet. It runs pretty deep, goes all the way in, and it's also a top to bottom, so just allowing for additional space. This room also does have a fan, allowing some extra cooling, which is always a plus. And once again, the baseboard electric boards just running throughout this unit. Going back out of the bedroom, once we take a right, this is the hallway, or the back entrance hallway. Has some nice tile flooring, freshly painted, has some additional space for hanging on this right side, or even if you just want to put, you know, a bench or shoe rack or just some kind of like extra closet space, that would be great. This door does lead to the back porch, or the emergency exit, so which would be here. Going down that way, we do have some additional space just for a couple of items on this corner, as well as this is where the dryer is located. Once again, this is Jerome coming to you from Nexus Property Management. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 3 Esther Street, Unit 3 in Worcester, Mass. Feel free to check us out at nexuswar.com. Once again, that's nexuswor.com to check out any of our listings. We do have a few listings on there, so feel free to reach out, and you can also give us a call at 508-687-3001, extension 3 for the leasing department, and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.